In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set rules in a GitHub organization. Whether you're managing a large team or just a few collaborators, having a clear set of rules for your repositories can streamline your workflow and enhance security. Let's dive into the process and see how you can easily set these rules. To get started, you'll want to access your GitHub account. Look to the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Organizations. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked into Organizations, you'll be presented with a list of organizations you belong to. Now, select the name of the organization you'd like to set rules for. This will take you to the organization's main page. Look towards the top of this page, just beneath the organization's name. There, you'll find a Settings option. Click on Settings to proceed. Now you're in the Settings area for your organization. On the left sidebar, you'll notice various categories. Among these, locate and click on Repository under Code, Planning, and Automation. Once you're in the repository settings, you'll want to navigate to Rule Sets. Click on Rule Sets to continue. Here is where you can create a new rule set. Click on the button that says New Rule Set. A crucial decision awaits you here. You need to choose what type of rule set you'd like to create. You can either create a new branch rule set, which establishes rules for specific branches like the main one, or a new tag rule set if your focus is on tags. Pick the option that best suits your requirements. Once you've chosen the type of rule set, it's time to name it. Think of a clear and descriptive name and enter it under Rule Set Name. After naming your rule set, you can set its enforcement status. You have a few options: active, disabled, or evaluate. Choose active to enforce the rules immediately, disabled if you want to save them without applying, or evaluate to test them without full enforcement. Next, you need to specify which repositories this rule set will apply to. You can choose to have it apply to all repositories within the organization, or you can select specific ones. Similarly, define the target branches by specifying which branches need protection, like main or release asterisk. Now, it's time to add your specific rules. You have various options to choose from. Common rules include requiring pull requests before merging, ensuring status checks pass, requiring signed commits, blocking force pushes, restricting deletions, and requiring code owner review. Carefully consider which rules align with your team's workflow. Optionally, you can set bypass permissions. This allows certain roles or teams within your organization to bypass the rule set if needed. Once you've carefully configured everything to meet your needs, click Create to save this new rule set, and there you have it. We've just gone through how to set up rules in a GitHub organization. With these rules in place, you can manage your projects more effectively, maintain code integrity, and define processes for your team to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.